Protecting your brand has never been easier. This is how to use contracts in Referazon. All right, so the first thing you want to do is come over here on the left-hand side, click on contracts, and you'll see here from this demo account that you will have a history of the contacts that you made, and you can edit the contract, you can delete the contract, or you can re-download it. Today, we're going to click on Create Contract. Creation date, you just select today's date. Okay. Advertiser name. So this is your name, your brand. So we use Referazon. Advertiser email. So Tanner@referazon.com. Enter in your address. Don't forget to enter in the country. Influencer name. This is the name of the influencer who's going to be promoting you. So if I wanted an influencer for Referazon, our software company here, so I would use Amazon Consultant. And here we have this one here. It's a pretty good one. This is the consulting company that I own, and they would be a great fit to promote Amazon software products. And since I own it, we're going to say influencer name, Tanner Rankin. Influencer's email, Tanner@sourceapproach.com. And we'll just put in an address here. Again, don't forget to enter the country. Campaign duration. So this is where you can choose, right? So ongoing or limited. Limited would be you're going to post for us one time, and that's it. If you select limited, you'll see the start date and the end date. Or maybe you only want to work with them for a month or something like that. Ongoing is what would be the most beneficial for you, of course, which would be, first you start out doing a YouTube video, and then maybe you do an email blast or a giveaway or a review, or you distribute coupon codes to them every month to give to their audience. When working with influencers, both of you, in a sense, want the same thing: long-term, mutually beneficial relationships. You generally don't want a one-off scenario, right? Compensation. This is just whatever that you've agreed upon with the influencer. So everything's a negotiation. You can negotiate with the influencer in terms of what you're compensating. Is it free product in exchange for a review? Is it a flat fee of $500? Whatever it might be. Compensation distributed. Are you going to give it to them before the campaign starts, after the campaign ends, or maybe something else, which would be like half up front, half after completion, and ultimately that's just whatever you and the influencer agrees upon. Again, there is no such thing as an industry standard of how much an influencer is worth or whatever that might be. They are ultimately all independent businesses of one another, so they can charge whatever fair and reasonable fees that they deem appropriate. So next up is content approval needed. Do you need to see and approve the content before it starts and before they post it, or not? And so we could just check that off here. You would go ahead and click Save Influencer, and you'll see here's the one we just did. And you'll see it downloaded immediately. Pull it up. Then you can see the contract here. And this is what you would send off to the influencer to sign as you normally would. If you guys need any other help, please join our Facebook group or contact us via website chat. We're happy to help. Thanks, everyone.